Look at this. That's not dirt. That's not because you didn't wash your face. That's 4 weeks of oil, dead skin, and pollution literally cementing itself inside your pores. And by the end of this video, you're going to watch every single bit of it come out. Stick around, because I'm also going to show you the one mistake that's actually making your blackheads worse, and almost nobody talks about it. Be honest, how many times have you stood in front of the mirror, squeezed something you shouldn't have, and made it worse? Blackheads are one of the most stubborn, most misunderstood skin concerns out there. They sit right on your nose and chin, refuse to disappear no matter how much you scrub, and somehow always come back within days. Add pollution, sweat, and touching your face all day, and your pores basically become little storage units. That's not a hygiene problem, that's a biology problem, and today we're fixing it properly. Let's clear up two things right now. Those tiny dots on your nose are always blackheads. Half the time, they're not. Those little grayish dots you see in bright light are often sebaceous filaments, a completely normal part of your skin's oil delivery system. Everyone has them. Dermatologists agree they can't actually be removed permanently. They refill within days because that's literally their job. So what actually works? A proper extraction process, softening, loosening, and safely removing the plug without damaging the pore wall. That's exactly what we're doing today. Step by step, step 1. Double cleanse blackheads are oil-based, so you need an oil-based cleanser first to break down sebum, followed by a water-based cleanser to remove the residue and dirt sitting on top. How to do it. Massage an oil or balm cleanser in slow circular motions for 60 seconds. Focus on the nose and chin. Rinse, then follow with a gentle foaming cleanser for another 30 seconds. Visual cue, pro tip, lukewarm water only, hot water strips your barrier and can actually increase oil production later. Step steam prep warmth relaxes the pore opening, making the trap plug easier to loosen without force. How to do it. Apply a warm, not hot, damp towel to the nose and chin for 2-3 minutes or use a facial steamer at a safe distance. Visual cue, step 3. Cell exfoliation via salicylic acid. BHA is oil soluble, meaning it can travel inside the pore lining itself to dissolve the buildup, something scrubs can never do. How to do it. Apply a 2% BHA liquid or toner with a cotton pad focusing on the T-zone. Leave on for 10-15 minutes before the next step. Visual cue pro tip. If you have sensitive or dry skin, use BHA only 2-3s a week and always follow with moisturizer. Daily use can weaken your barrier over time. Step 4. Clay mask plus extraction. Clay absorbs excess oil and slightly draws impurities toward the surface, making the actual extraction gentler and safer. How to do it. Apply a thin layer of clay mask for 8-10 minutes until just tacky, not fully dry cracked. Rinse off then, using a sterilized extractor tool or clean fingers wrapped in tissue. Apply gentle, even pressure around each blackhead. If it doesn't release in 2-3 seconds, stop. Don't force it. Visual cue, pro tip, Multani Midi Fuller's Earth, mixed with rosewater works almost identically to imported clay masks at a fraction of the price. Step 5. Barrier repair extraction, even done correctly, creates micro-trauma. Your skin needs ceramides and niacinamide immediately after to calm inflammation and rebuild the barrier. How to do it. Apply a niacinamide serum followed by a ceramide-rich moisturizer, patting gently rather than rubbing. Visual cue, pro tip, never skip SPF the next morning. Freshly extracted skin is far more vulnerable to pigmentation from sun exposure. Common in mistakes, warning, squeezing with your nails. This tears the pore wall and can cause scarring that lasts far longer than any blackhead. Extracting dry, unprepped skin. Without steam and softening, you're just injuring yourself for nothing. Over-exfoliating. Using BHA daily and scrubbing in pore strips in the same week destroys your barrier and actually makes oil production worse. Ignoring your pillowcase. A pillowcase holds a week's worth of oil, product, and bacteria. Change it twice a week and you'll notice fewer breakouts within days. Isn't it wild how something as small as a pillowcase can undo an entire skincare routine? Race and expectation management, and let's be real with each other, this isn't a one-time fix. Blackheads will always try to come back because your skin will always produce oil. What changes is how often and how severe. With consistent BHA use 3x a week, and this routine every 10-14 days, most people see visibly smaller, less congested pores within 3-4 weeks. Perfect, poreless skin from one video isn't realistic, and honestly, anyone promising that isn't telling you the truth. Consistency is the actual secret, not one satisfying extraction video. Quick recap: double cleanse, steam to prep, BHA to dissolve, clay mask to soften, gentle extraction, then barrier repair with niacinamide and ceramides. Repeat every 10-14 days, not daily. If this was satisfying to watch, hit subscribe and turn on the bell. I post routines like this every week.